From the very first glance, this home feels like a statement, bold, elegant, and undeniably luxurious. As you approach through the grand driveway, the symmetry of the architecture immediately captures your attention. The warm glow of the exterior lighting highlights the tall white columns that stretch up to the second floor, creating a sense of scale that is both welcoming and awe-inspiring. The rich terracotta roof tiles contrast beautifully with the light-toned facade, giving the entire property a Mediterranean-inspired charm while still maintaining a modern, polished edge. Walking closer, the landscaped front yard reveals itself in layers of detail. Carefully trimmed greenery, soft garden lighting, and a perfectly manicured lawn frame the path leading up to the main entrance. Every element here has been designed to create a luxurious first impression, and it absolutely delivers. The double-height glass entryway acts as the centerpiece of the exterior, offering a glimpse into the opulence waiting inside. As the grand doors open, you are immediately greeted by a breathtaking foyer. The ceiling soars above you, creating a sense of openness that is both dramatic and inviting. A stunning chandelier hangs at the center, casting a warm golden light across the marble flooring below. The reflections on the polished surface add depth and elegance, making the space feel even larger than it already is. The staircase curves gracefully to one side, with sleek railings and carefully crafted steps that look as though they belong in a luxury resort. Moving further inside, the main living area unfolds into a spacious and beautifully designed open-concept layout. Floor-to-ceiling windows allow natural light to flood the space, blending the indoors with the outdoors seamlessly. The seating arrangement is thoughtfully placed, featuring plush sofas and modern accents that create a perfect balance between comfort and style. Every piece of furniture feels intentional, contributing to an overall atmosphere of sophistication. The color palette throughout this space is neutral yet rich, with soft beige tones, warm wood textures, and subtle metallic accents. This combination creates a timeless look that feels both contemporary and inviting. The lighting design plays a crucial role here, with recessed lights and statement fixtures working together to highlight architectural features and design elements. Adjacent to the living area, the dining space offers a more intimate, yet equally luxurious setting. A large dining table sits at the center, surrounded by elegant chairs that complement the overall aesthetic of the home. Above, a modern chandelier adds a touch of drama, making this space perfect for hosting formal dinners or family gatherings. The connection between the dining area and the rest of the home ensures that conversations and interactions flow effortlessly. The kitchen is where functionality meets high-end design. As you step in, you'll notice the sleek cabinetry, high-quality finishes, and state-of-the-art appliances that define this space. The large central island not only provides additional workspace, but also serves as a gathering spot for casual meals or morning coffee. The countertops, crafted from premium materials, add a luxurious touch while maintaining durability and practicality. Storage has been thoughtfully integrated into the design, ensuring that everything has its place without compromising the clean, modern look. The lighting here is both functional and aesthetic, with under-cabinet lights enhancing visibility while adding a soft glow to the overall ambience. Continuing through the home, the family lounge offers a more relaxed setting. This space is designed for comfort, featuring cozy seating, a large entertainment setup, and warm lighting that creates a welcoming atmosphere. It's the perfect place to unwind after a long day or enjoy movie nights with loved ones. The bedrooms in this home are nothing short of extraordinary. Each room has been designed with comfort and privacy in mind, offering spacious layouts, large windows, and carefully selected finishes. The master suite, however, stands out as the ultimate retreat. As you enter, you're greeted by a generous space that feels both luxurious and serene. The master bedroom features a private sitting area, allowing you to enjoy quiet moments without leaving the comfort of your room. The large windows provide stunning views while allowing natural light to enhance the space during the day. At night, the carefully designed lighting creates a calm and relaxing environment. The ensuite bathroom is a masterpiece of design. From the moment you step in, you'll notice the attention to detail in every corner. The use of high-end materials combined with a thoughtful layout creates a spa-like experience. A freestanding bathtub sits as the focal point, offering a place to relax and unwind. The walk-in shower features modern fixtures and a spacious design, ensuring both comfort and convenience. A walk-in closet completes the master suite, offering ample storage space while maintaining a luxurious feel. The layout is designed to keep everything organized, making it both practical and visually appealing. The upper level of the home continues to impress, with additional bedrooms, each featuring its own unique design and character. These rooms are perfect for family members or guests, offering comfort, privacy, and a touch of luxury in every detail. Stepping outside, the backyard transforms into a private oasis. The outdoor space has been designed to complement the elegance of the interior while providing a perfect setting for relaxation and entertainment. The landscaping is lush and well-maintained, creating a peaceful environment that feels like a retreat from the outside world. The patio area offers ample seating, making it ideal for hosting gatherings or enjoying quiet evenings. The lighting here enhances the ambience, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere as the sun sets. Every element of the outdoor space has been carefully considered to ensure a seamless blend of beauty and functionality. The garage area is equally impressive, offering ample space for multiple vehicles while maintaining a clean and organized look. The design ensures easy access while complementing the overall aesthetic of the home. What truly sets this property apart is the attention to detail in every aspect of its design. From the architectural elements to the interior finishes, everything has been carefully selected to create a cohesive and luxurious living experience. The combination of modern design and timeless elegance ensures that this home will remain stunning for years to come. Throughout the home, the use of high-quality materials and finishes is evident. From the flooring to the fixtures, every detail has been chosen with care, reflecting a commitment to excellence. The result is a space that feels both luxurious and comfortable, offering the perfect balance for modern living. The layout of the home has been designed to maximize both space and functionality. Each area flows seamlessly into the next, creating a sense of continuity that enhances the overall experience. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet evening, this home adapts effortlessly to your needs. Lighting plays a significant role in defining the character of this property. The combination of natural and artificial lighting creates a dynamic environment that changes throughout the day. During the daytime, the large windows allow sunlight to fill the space, while in the evening, the carefully designed lighting creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. The architectural design of the exterior is equally impressive. The use of columns, large windows, and a balanced layout creates a sense of grandeur that is both striking and elegant. The attention to detail in the facade ensures that the home stands out while maintaining a timeless appeal. As you take a step back and look at the entire property, it becomes clear that this is more than just a house. It's a statement of luxury and refined living. Every aspect of the design has been carefully considered to create a space that is both beautiful and functional. This home offers not just a place to live, but a lifestyle. It's a space where comfort meets elegance, where every detail has been designed to enhance your living experience. From the grand entrance to the private outdoor retreat, every corner of this property reflects a commitment to quality and design. In the end, what makes this home truly special is the feeling it creates. It's a place that welcomes you in, offers comfort, and leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying quiet moments, this home provides the perfect setting for every occasion. And as the lights glow softly against the evening sky, highlighting the beauty of the architecture, it becomes clear that this is not just a home. It's a masterpiece of modern luxury living.